Do you hate it when your shredder stops spinning? We only have this happen maybe once or twice a year, and every time it happens, I have to hunt down the tools and I can't remember exactly how to replace the bolt. So this is a video to replace the shear bolt on a shredder. The tools you will need so that I don't have to fucking hunt them down anymore. I'm gonna put them in a box that says shredder bolt tools. This is the broken one, this is a broken one from before, this is a broken one from now, and this is the new shiny one.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is pull up these little flap doodles here on the edge to cover up the access ports. And they're just attached.
I think flapdoodle is in the Webster's dictionary too.
That is a technical term, and it's just a little plastic thing that snaps into there. And this one attaches at the top, and this one attaches at the bottom for some strange reason. And then the next thing we need to do is slide back this little plastic cover that kind of covers it up. So you need to come over here, and there's the little plastic tab there. You just kind of push in with a screwdriver, and you have to do it on 3 different places. And basically put pressure on it so that it'll hopefully stay pushed down while you do the other ones. And if you are successful, in doing all 3, then it will retract. And now, it looks like they did some greasing when I was at the shop.
Okay. Well, lots of greasing.
Okay.
Is any of the old bolt in there?
Can you actually see the hole from your vantage?
Yeah. So roll it and share what you're doing.
So I'm just twisting it, but it stops here unless I rotate the blades, but hopefully you can see where the bolt is going to go.
Yeah, I can see the hole for the bolt, but the part that's sticking up is too far forward. This part right here.
Yeah.
Can you rotate it a little bit back toward you that way? Yeah, do that. See, this part here is pushed forward, and I think it has to go back so that then the hole on this lines up with that hole. Is that correct?
I don't see which hole you're talking about.
Well, no, because you can't see the hole right now because this is forward. Isn't that what we've always run into in the past? Is that, or do you think it's lined up and we just need to rotate it until you can see it?
No, I want to say you're right. We have to get it in the middle of this opening here.
Okay.
So I think we need to pull everything back toward the tractor. Is that right? I don't remember it being so close to here in the past.
we haven't driven it though in the past when it's broken. We haven't driven it with it broken and out. We've usually replaced it right away, and I wonder if that has slipped forward then.
That could be.
So John is spinning the blades, and what you see here is the hole where the bolt goes. There's no hole. So we have to adjust to get this, which you can't really see anymore. This to line that up in there, we have to detach from the tractor the arm. Our recollection is that we can leave the rest hooked up. Again, because we only have to do this once or twice a year, we're both not remembering exactly, but plastic cover comes off similar to the other side. And then once you have cover off, And this is the part that Lori can never do, but John does well.
And I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah,
There's
we can see.
a little thing you press in, and then you just pull.
And can you show the part that you press in?
That's the part that you press in, that little knob there.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Right there.
Very nice.
And once that's off, we should be able to retract this arm back. So now it's in a place where we can line it up with the hole on the center spindle.
Okay, perfect. And I can see it.
And actually you can see the part of the hole already, so I can just stick a screwdriver in so that they line up.
Beautiful. And here's the new bolt.
And I don't think it matters which side the bolt is and which side the nut is. You can do it either way. And you might have to jimmy this just a bit to make sure it's like lined up on all parts. And then the bolt goes through.
I could probably do that if you want to push on that.
Okay.
And
Yeah, because I'm doing it blind.
okay.
Just need to tighten it.
I think the last time we used this was on here, probably. It's the same size. It's set to tighten, I think.
It's not. And
Oh, it's not?
unfortunately,
Is that the one that's broken?
yeah.
Oh, shoot. Okay. I thought it was set. Oh, no, because I took all those things off the bed with that. Okay. I don't know how that got broken, but.
That's somehow I got it. Okay.
Thanks.
And you're holding it.
Yeah. Sorry. I lost it because it's spinning on me. Hang on just a sec. Okay. It's the rotator thing keeps going and then it slides off. Okay. I'm gonna let the camera go. You tighten it, that's it, and then you put the thing back on. But I want to do a video of the thing going back on too. Once that's, it apparently it's just resistance tightened, and you can see that the one from last time, probably a shorter bolt, only was tightened to here. This one's tightened to there.
Oh.
But I don't think you have to go all the way, do you? It's just a shear.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't pull out, I guess it's okay.
And the other ones from
Yeah, they must have-
past are not even that tight.
Yeah,
they must have been shorter ones.
Yeah, they must have been.
Okay.
That should
So
be okay.
now, once that's done, then you come back and put this on, and I'm going to take a video of that because that's hard too.
The trick is, see if I can show you this. What happens is on the end of here is when you push the little thing in, it releases there's a little bump right there on that bottom one that you can see goes away when I push in the, so that's what you're trying to line up with, one of these bumps on the little drive shaft, and you want to push it in and then slide it over that bump. And that's the tricky part, because you're kind of doing it blindly and you have to get it the right place. And this is hidden. But if you line it up just right, oh wow, that was easier than it's ever been.
Oh, they must have done some work on that, put some oil on it. We just had it serviced, so usually we struggle. Oh wow, honey, that's fast.
Give it a little tug, and then you just push this cover back on and line it up with the little plastic tabs here with the holes, and that will close that back up. Wow, that's usually the easy work. There you go. Do the same thing on this side. And you're done.
Bravo! Woohoo!